Vir God en sy gemeente,
beloof ek liefde en trou
in alle omstandighede,
aan my bruid Annie,
aan my bruidegom Andrei.
Morning light in your eyes, I can feel it all the time. We are dancing around my mind. You are beauty personified. Always with me when you leave, looking over your shoulder at me. Oh, this is magic. This I know. Having love songs when you go, and I just want you to know and I don't need anything but this. Oh, this love, it is timeless. Through the fire and the flood, this is stronger than it ever was. I'll be running through the dark, oh, to be wherever you are. I would meet you in the rain, round the world and back again. Wherever you go, my feet will land. I'll be standing with my heart in my hand.
Prediker sê, 2 is beter as 1. Daar's net een rede hoekom mense moet trou, en dis omdat hulle lief is vir mekaar. En hulle het dit vir my gesê. Dis die beste besluit wat 2 jong mense kan neem, as hulle lief is vir mekaar. 2 is beter as 1.
Through the fire and the flood, this is stronger than it ever was. I'll be running through the dark, oh, to be wherever you are. I would meet you in the rain, round the world and back again. Wherever you go, my feet will land, and I'll be standing still feels like it's new after all this time. Don't know what I'd do without you by my side. When everything's changing, I know we will stand through time. With my heart in my hand.
vandag 6 jaar gelede, stil oukie jou gevra of hy jou kerel kan wees. Deur al die 6 jaar het ons soveel wonderlike goed saam gedeel en vandag staan hy voor jou as 'n man. Nie net ek het die persoon getrou, saam wie ek elke dag wil bly nie, maar die een sonder wie ek nie kan leef nie.